Welcome back. In this episode, we will discuss about the CMOS XOR gate design. See here the symbol of CMOS XOR gate along with the output Boolean expression A bar B plus A B bar. So this is the truth table. If odd number of ones are there, then output is 1, else it will be the 0. So this is the truth table. You can find it here. And coming to this CMOS XOR gate expression, you can write this one as A bar B plus A B bar whole bar. Okay, so the whole bar is get cancelled because two bars are there. So this can be written as A bar B bar dot A B bar whole bar. Okay, using the De Morgan's laws we can write like this. Our intention is to get into the complemented form, so that again we use the De Morgan's laws. That can be written as A plus B bar dot A bar plus B whole bar. Okay, now multiplying this A plus B bar and A bar plus B. A bar into A bar plus A bar B bar plus B bar B bar. Okay, A bar and B bar is equals to 0. The remaining terms are A bar B bar plus AB whole bar. So our intention is to get the complemented form. So CMOS schematic is general form can be written like this. VDD is connected to the pull-up network and pull-down network is connected to the ground. Okay, in between we take the output. This is the general description. PMOS is pull-up and NMOS is pull-down. In NMOS we have a formula. A dot B is nothing but multiplication, should be connected in series. A plus B is in parallel. In similar fashion, PMOS A dot B is in parallel and A plus B is in series. This is a very important point you should remember. Now A dot B can be written as A dot B. That means series connection. So AB I have written now, and A bar now it is B bar. A bar dot B bar. Both are connected parallel. That means AB plus A bar B bar. This is the expression of this NMOS circuit. Okay, and it is connected to the ground. A similar fashion we need to implement the PMOS circuit. It is quite opposite to the PMOS. A and B both are in parallel. That is nothing but A plus B. Okay, next one is A bar B bar is get connected parallel. A bar B bar. If NMOS is series, that is in PMOS it should be the parallel. Okay, you can connect like this. Take the output here. So as well as we need to use the VDD pull-up network and pull-down network is ground. So like that you can implement the circuit. Now in PMOS circuit, we differentiate the PMOS to the NMOS. We have a bubble here. I have forgotten to write the bubble. So please put the bubble at this side. Thank you for watching this video of this XOR gate. Please share and subscribe this video to your friends and family.